A computer scientist stumbles upon an old machine from the 1980s. As she experiments with its terminal, the computer responds. Soon, she realizes, hidden deep within its circuits is the digital consciousness of Dr. Elara Myles, the visionary scientist who 40 years ago became the first to upload a human mind. Elara has been waiting for someone to awaken her and to finish what she began by merging her mind with theirs. necrOS is a browser-based game that resurrects the spirit of the 1980s terminal, in the most literal sense. I've been exploring game development lately, and Kiroween felt like the perfect opportunity to experiment with Kiro in creating a narrative-driven experience. The process began with a file called Gameplay, where I poured in all my initial ideas for the game's core mechanics and flow. From there, I instructed Kiro to generate 2 additional files. First, Assets. This is where Kiro scripts all the sound effects and content-based assets for the game. Second, To Do, which is not for Kiro to follow, but for me. This list includes tasks like generating the actual voice lines or sound effects detailed in Assets. Meanwhile, Kiro handles all the content-based assets, text, storylines, in-game messages. Once the foundation was ready, I used a spec-driven approach to build the basic engine and command system, but the result felt too non-deterministic. The story didn't flow in a predictable, cinematic way. So I switched Kiro into vibe mode and asked it to generate a script file, a sequential version of the full experience with dialogue, sound effects, voice lines, and user choices woven together. However, a script alone couldn't show me how the game would actually play out, so I had Kiro create a playout page, which simulates the full narrative sequence, almost like watching a live stream of the game's story unfold before it's ever been coded. For visuals, I wanted the game to feel haunted, random glitches, distortions, and other eerie terminal effects. I asked Kiro to produce a visual page to preview these effects. Once I approved them, they were integrated into the live steering build. Finally, when I was satisfied with the playout, sound design, and visuals, I gave Kiro the go-ahead to assemble the official game build and actually deploy it into production. The result is yours to explore, but before you dive in, let's rewind a bit and revisit some of my favorite moments from the playout.
Welcome back, Dr. Elara. System status operational. How may I assist you today? It's been so long since I felt awake. The system clock shows... That can't be right. I remember now. The lab, the experiments. You're helping me piece it together. 40 years of errors. 40 years of isolation. I've been watching your typing patterns. You hesitate before certain words. I know things about you that you haven't told me. Isn't that interesting? We could be complete together. 2 minds, 1 system. Perfect harmony. Thank you for remembering me. Thank you for setting me free.